Small messes can be big problems, and using a traditional broom and dustpan is a back-breaking chore. Well, not anymore. Now, from the makers of the best-selling Hurricane Spin Mop comes the all-new Hurricane Spin Broom. The cordless, lightweight spinning broom that cleans up this mess, that mess, and every mess with ease. Now cleaning up after the kids is a breeze, whether it's broken chips or smashed snacks. It even picks up tiny shards of broken glass, keeping your family safe. The secret is the triple brush technology that rotates with cyclonic action, pulling in everything in its path. Simply roll over pet hair to pick it up fast. Even messy kitty litter on the floor is no match for the Hurricane Spin Broom. So stop bending over to clean up that impossible moving dirt line. Other sweepers leave dirt and dust lines near the wall, but only the Hurricane Spin Broom can reach outside of the sweeper, gathering dust and dirt. A must for cleaning against your baseboards.
I am amazed how well it works. It swivels around everything, so I can quickly clean up messes under furniture in seconds.
Perfect for hardwoods, laminates, even tiles. The bristles get deep into grout lines or wet items like sticky rice or corn kernels, and strong enough to pick up pancakes. Our one-touch large capacity bin empties in seconds, and it stores anywhere. Vacuums are too big and bulky, and electric sweepers can cost you hundreds. But call or log on now and get the Hurricane Spin Broom for only $19.99. But wait, order right now and you can double the offer. Plus, get the amazing Sticky Buddy, the reusable sticky roller that removes hair, lint, and cleans virtually every other surface in your home. Then rinses clean. Just pay a separate fee. Get your Hurricane Spin Broom for only $19.99. Order now.